Welcome to Green Manor. We've proudly brought our tradition of caring to the Bowling Green, Ohio community since 1976. Our therapy neighborhood, built in 2021, provides the latest in rehabilitation technology. Our experienced team of professionals focuses on you as an individual and your specific needs. We develop a therapy plan and approach that is designed to help you heal faster and achieve your unique goals. As an organization, we are committed to delivering person-centered care. Our greatest success is watching you returning to your home and family healthy and happy. In an effort to ensure a complete continuum of care, our rehabilitation team includes physicians, nurse practitioners, nurses, social workers, and therapists. We look forward to serving you or your loved one. Enjoy the video tour.